The Commercial Property Inspection Field Training is an exciting class designed to be the ultimate ride-along experience with your peers and an experienced trainer. An inspection will be broken into systems. We'll first go over everything you need to know to be comfortable about that system, and then we'll go out and physically inspect it. No other class is designed to give you this much hands-on experience. The Commercial Property Inspection Field Training will include the inspection of roof, HVAC, plumbing, electric, structure, parking lot, grading, life safety equipment, and the commercial cooking area. All of this taking place in a commercial environment, not some stuffy classroom. Don't miss out and register now for our next Commercial Property Inspection Field Training Day.